A Manipuri Bedtime, Story of Hope. Mayampana Tamanasi Ko. In the quiet hills and valley of Manipur, where the moonlight kisses the fields and the stars peek gently from the sky, lived a little girl named Gita. She did not live in her house anymore. Her home were burned down into ashes. One day, when the winds were angry and people were scared, Gita and her family had to leave their village and move to a relief camp. But even in the camp, Gita never stopped smiling. Do you know why? Because every night, she would open her glass jar and whisper, "Come little fireflies, light up my dreams." The jar wasn't just a jar. It was a magic jar. Not the kind made with spells, but the kind filled with love, memories, and hope. Inside it, Gita kept a rice grain from her old kitchen, a flower petal from her garden, a bead from her mother's necklace, and most importantly, a note her brother had written. Wherever we are, we shine together. Every night in the camp, when other children were scared or sad, Gita would call them. "Let's sit together," she'd say. She would open the jar, and they'd pretend the fireflies danced above their heads. They told stories, sang lullabies, and dreamt of home. And slowly, the children began to smile again. They remembered that kindness lives in sharing, that homes can be rebuilt, but the light inside them, that light could never be taken away. So whenever you feel sad, just close your eyes and whisper, "Come little fireflies, light up my dreams." Maybe, just maybe, you'll see Gita's fireflies, bringing you light from Manipur with love. Good night. Mayam ye far. No matter where you are, your light still shines. Sleep well, and dream brighter. Yea fair, za za goo go go.